This episode of Akram's Ideas is all about the ultimate chocolate chip cookie recipe. Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. Now that school is back in session, there's nothing better than coming home to a quick snack. And of course, my favorite all-time snack when coming home from a long day is, of course, the chocolate chip cookie. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. I mean, what's not to love about a chocolate chip cookie? In my experience as a chocolate chip cookie connoisseur, I have tested multiple cookie recipes until I came up with the ultimate chocolate chip cookie recipe, and best of all, it's practically sugar-free. So with that said, let's get started. To make our semi-sugar-free chocolate chip cookies, we are going to be using two main ingredients that make it the sugar-free cookies that they are. The first one is the Splenda brown sugar, which is a blend of brown sugar and Splenda, so that it doesn't have the all sugar aspect of it. The second item that we'll be using are the Hershey's sugar-free chocolate chips. And you'll only need one bag of these. And they taste, I mean, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between these chocolate chips and regular milk chocolate chips. So they're really, really good despite being sugar-free. Now, the ingredients for our chocolate chip cookies include 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of vegetable shortening, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 bag of chocolate chips. To get started, you're going to sift together your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt in a mixing bowl and set aside. Then, in an electric mixing bowl, you're going to combine your brown sugar, shortening, 2 eggs, and your 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You're going to take this to your mixer and mix it all up. Once you've mixed together your brown sugar shortening mixture, to that you're going to add your dry ingredients and mix it all up. Once you've got your cookie batter all mixed together, you're going to fold in your chocolate chips. You're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Using a 1.5 inch cookie scoop, you're going to scoop your cookies onto the parchment sheet, and you're just going to press down a little bit as you place them in here. You're going to bake these cookies between 10 and 12 minutes. And of course, here are our amazing chocolate chip cookies. Ugh, they look so good. So let's go ahead and dive into it. These are good. I needed a cookie. And of course, what would a chocolate chip cookie be without a glass of milk? That was a good cookie. Because let's face it, we could all use a good cookie every now and again. And this is the recipe to try. Now, of course, you don't have to go with the sugar-free ingredients. You could just use regular chocolate chips and regular brown sugar. I prefer to use the sugar-free ingredients just to cut out some of the extra sugars. Not that it cuts out any of the fat, because let's face it, there's a lot of fat in these cookies. But if there wasn't, it probably wouldn't be as good a cookie as it is. hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and I'd love to hear in the comments below if you've tried your hand at making these cookies. Thanks for watching!
And you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative... Let me see that one more time. Whoa! That was a good cookie. I feel like it's been forever since I had a cookie. Alright, let's continue. Dun dun dun. Favorite recipe. I don't like it either. Let's do it all again.